Hey everyone, before we start this unboxing and then the review in the future, I just want to give a big heartfelt thank you to all my subscribers and all the viewers who have been hitting the links in the description to these products that I review, because without all of you, this unboxing and future review would not be possible. It's pretty much a win-win, because when I do make links for certain products, it's only for products that I recommend as a consumer. A lot of the products that I review, they don't come from the company or the manufacturer. I buy them on my own as a consumer, just like yourselves. So thank you once again for making this unboxing and review possible. And if you guys are interested in this product or the unboxing of the one that I'm going to do right now, then again, use the links in my description, as it really does help out my channel and my charity, the Wounded Warrior Project. So with that out of the way, let's get into this unboxing. So if you guys have been following my channel, I've done a unboxing and a review on this Pioneer XDP-02U portable digital audio player, high-res digital audio player from Pioneer. I think it's the XDP-02. Anyways, this is a Pioneer's entry-level digital audio player, and for the price at the time, I think when I got it, it was around like $225. It had a lot of great features like dual DAC chips, dual amplifier chips that you don't really find, that you probably can't even find in more expensive digital audio players, or even like way more expensive audio players that are double or triple the price of this small little DAP, digital high-res digital audio player. It had a lot of features. It also had Wi-Fi, and it had Bluetooth 4.0, I think. And this audio player came out like early 2017, I'm going to say. Maybe late 2018. So I still love it. I still enjoy listening to it. And I mean, other than a few things that, if you guys haven't seen in my review, that I don't like about this, you know, like the screen being kind of small and all that. But let's unbox this, because this is the one that is an upgrade. This is the Hiby digital audio player, the R3 Pro right here. I'm going to remove this plastic because you're going to get a lot of reflection, which we don't like. It's not good for the eyes, and it's not good for the video. So just get that out of the way. And so what you can see here is the front of the box has a Hiby R3 Pro name, and right down here it says make music more musical. The sides, bottom and top, there's pretty much just plain, this is nothing. And then on the back here is some writings in different languages like Chinese and also English. And then the specs, is that the specs? These might be specs, so you can pause that and read it for yourself. So right here are all the features. UAT, I'm not sure what that is. I know I read up on it. There has been a few reviews on this online and also on YouTube, but like not as many as you would find on, say, something like a Samsung Galaxy or Apple device. LDAC is lossless digital audio compression. MQA stands for Master Quality Authenticated, and then Hiby Link is, I guess, like an app to connect your Hiby to other devices, probably. So let's open this up so we can compare. And then right here is a black box with the Hiby R3 Pro name. And open it up some more. So at the very top, protected by this like foam layer or foam bracket, is the player itself, covered in eco-plastic cover to prevent dust and scratches. So let's just put that aside and see what else we get. And here's the nice spongy foam protection, which is nice. And let's see what we get. So right here is you get a plastic case to put your player in and protect it from scratches. Although if you guys haven't seen my other videos, I'm probably going to make a carbon fiber skin for this. And then in this little box, this is nice. You get a braided USB-C to USB-A connector, and seems like a pretty good length. Let's see. It's nice and thick, braided, so you don't have to worry about the wires getting all crimped up. I would say maybe 2 feet, a little less than 3 feet of wire. It's probably just as long as the wire you get for your Samsung phones or your, you know, your other smartphones. And then in this box, you get some instruction manuals and probably a warranty card. So let's just put those aside. And then right over here is you get a tempered glass screen protector, and and a plastic screen protector. I could have sworn it said you get 2 plastic screen protectors, but I only see one. So yeah, you get the plastic screen protector, and here's you get a what is this? I guess a registration card, or like a card that says your product has passed testing. Let's put all those aside so we can look at the player itself. And here it is. So this player is you got plastic covering the screen and the back 2D glass, which is really nice. It feels much more premium than the all plastic build of the Pioneer player that I have right here. And the plastic shows some of the features or that it has, the player has, the plastic does. Let's just remove that. And I think maybe there's already a built-in screen protector in here. Is there? No, it doesn't look like it. So yeah, it feels much lighter than the Pioneer. A lot smaller, but it has a much bigger screen than the Pioneer. So let me power up the Pioneer so you guys can see how big the screen is in relation. This one, I don't know if it's when I first unboxed the Pioneer, it came factory. There was no charge. That's how they ship it to you. So I don't know if this has a charge to it. But before we do that, let's walk through the player. So okay, let's go through a little walkthrough on this digital audio player from Hiby. So right here is the front. In the front you have the high resolution branding, high res audio branding. I think it's has two high res certification, two high res certifications, and then it's got the Hiby branding right there. Right here, all in the front is a almost borderless. I think it's a 3.2 inch screen. I don't know the resolution. It doesn't say, neither on Hiby's website or doing a quick Google search does not show the resolution of the screen on this Hiby R3 Pro. I know this one, it has it on their website and also on Amazon page. This is a 2.4 inch 320 by 240 screen, all full color. But this one doesn't say, but it is a bigger screen overall, and it's probably going to give you, from what I've saw on the images, it does have good colors. Going from the top here, we have what looks like our 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, regular and balanced. They seem to be about the same size. Normally I think of balanced as a smaller 2.4 millimeter size versus the 3.5 on the balanced. One way to find out. Let's just grab my 3.5 to 3.5 connector right here that I use on my Pioneer player and see. So yeah, this is 3.5 right here, and yeah, this is a smaller, as you can see. So that's a 2.5 connector right there. And then on the bottom is our micro SD card slot, a single slot, versus the Pioneer, which has two micro SD card slots. And it could take about up to, I think, 1 terabyte of storage. I've read somewhere someone had a 1 terabyte of storage, or 1 terabyte SD card, micro SD card, which are still very hard to find these days. And then there's your USB-C port for USB OTG and also for charging. On the Pioneer, it was a micro USB port. Right here on the left hand side is your volume toggles, volume minus and plus. On the Pioneer, they were your playback function toggles. And then on the right side is your power button right there, and then your playback buttons right here, play, pause, skip, forward, where on the Pioneer that was your volume and minus button. So my first few weeks of usage is probably gonna, I'll probably be hitting the wrong buttons just because I'm used to these buttons right here. And as we can see in the comparison, the Pioneer is much thicker and a lot taller than the Hiby R3 Pro. On the back is some more Hiby branding, and then the trademark or whatever. So you can pause that and read it for yourself. So that is the walkthrough. Let's try to see if it has any juice. Hey, look at that. Some kind of juice. Make music more musical. So there it is, and now it's going to take me to the setup process. So that was the quickest setup. All it asks you is for what language you're using, and then you're automatically right here on the, I guess, the beginning screen. And you can see the differences in the screen sizes, and it comes with I guess 67% battery charge. As you can see, 67%. That is that for the unboxing of this Hiby R3 Pro. So stay tuned in about a few weeks for me to give my full review. As you guys know, I like to take my time and use the product for a bit before I give you guys my honest opinions and if I recommend it. but what I'm seeing so far I like. And they give you a lot for what you get. With the Panasonic, all I got was the cable and yeah, the charging cable, which was a micro USB cable, and I think that was it. And oh, one plastic screen protector that's still on here right now, as you can see, because you can see the bubbling right there. And this one comes with a lot more out of the box, so it's really nice that it comes with some kind of protection, meaning you get this plastic case right here. Hiby also sells a leather case for around $25, I think, on their website and also on Amazon. You get a plastic screen protector. You get your tempered glass screen protector, although you can't see it right now. You can't even see the screen protectors. And you also get instruction manual and warranty, and a certificate card that says your player has passed all rigorous testings or whatever. And you also get the braided USB-C to USB-A connector. So that is that. If you guys have been informed and entertained, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.